Hi everyone, I'm Neils Peter Jensen. I'm from Germany and I came over here to Goa to explore the best motorcycle event in India, the IBW.
So Neils, you've come to Goa before. You've been here doing the Helmets for India campaign. How does it feel to be back at a festival with so much more biking?
Well, 2 years ago was the first time in India. It took less than 2 days when I fell in love with India. I started in Mumbai, then I went to New Delhi. I didn't like it too much, to be honest, like too stressy. But then we did an amazing road trip from Mumbai to Goa, to like small villages, big cities, and I fell more in love with it. And then when we did this Helmets for India project and give helmets away on the road trip, we got so much love and energy back from the people. And then I realized, okay, this is my lifetime project. And now coming back after 7 months, we're doing the Helmets for India, the show around the world.
Right.
To promote the project and to introduce India and the whole custom scene to Europe and America. Finally coming back with a documentary on our stick and presenting it here in front of so many amazing, crazy motorcycle people. I'm nervous, excited and super happy.
That's wonderful. And now the whole biking scene, you've been to many countries. We all ride differently. What's something about India that, like the people in India who ride, what has that part that has caught your eye that we do differently compared to the guys abroad?
One thing that I realized on the road trip, but it's also like now, that this motorcycle community, they're crazy about motorcycles and riding and going on road trips. Before I thought riding two wheels in India is just a transportation vehicle. So they get from A to B for shopping, bringing the kids to school. But here's, I think, the biggest and fastest growing motorcycle community in the world. I mean, there are many cool communities everywhere, but it's so hard to compare this community to the European or to the American or wherever in the world. It's very special and there's a lot of, so much energy. And there's no, jealousy.
Right.
Like everybody, no matter what bike they ride, what gear they have, how fast they go on the hill climb, it's not like, it's like, yeah, good. I mean, there were so many people sharing me going up the hill, and you could feel there's no jealousy,
Right.
They appreciate that other people have fun.
And it's kind of the entire community taking care of each other. It's something that I would say that, we used to have in India, where we have smaller riding groups who look after, like, for example, everybody starts somewhere. I too started in a biking club with zero experience.
Yeah.
And you have the elderly guys telling you like, hey, your riding is good, but we want you to watch out for your brakes. We want you to watch out on your riding skill. Do not override or do not do things half-heartedly.
Don't push people into a position where they don't feel comfortable.
Exactly. I mean, I think, again, when you're riding, comfort should be important, like your safety.
Yeah.
Again, a lot of people in India do not ride helmets, which is a horrible thing. That's why
it will change.
That's why Helmets for India started. They did a really good job to make sure a lot more people get helmets, and especially good helmets, which is difficult to find in India because we have crappy laws with helmets.
But if we all unite, you are a huge community, and if we get the Europeans over to support and like everyone, I see motorcycling as honestly like one big family. If you ask me what's the difference in India, yeah, there's a difference. Like I have 4 kids. My oldest daughter is completely different to my young son, and it's the same thing. I don't like to say all the time like brotherhood, but we are doing the same thing. We do feel the same. When we crash, we do feel the same pain.
Absolutely.
So we all should unite and make little changes, If you see somebody and you respect and you care for him and he's not wearing a helmet, you should say, you should wear a helmet. And helmets are not just for me. Every time my friends see me, I have a different helmet. I collect helmets. It's not just to save your head. It's like, for me, it's an item, I love walking around with a helmet and put it on the table and people say, oh, that's a biker.
That's a biker, yeah. I mean, again, bikers are kind of a whole lot more respected and welcomed into many places because we've been traveling across. And as soon as we go and put our helmets on the table, they're like, oh, where are you guys riding from? And to tell a whole story and to tell, your entire motorcycle background as to where you come from and how you've been riding, it is a whole life changer because everybody wants to know what is your side of the story.
Yeah, that's right. So, one family.
Thank you so much, Niels. Pleasure joining you on this chat.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Sorry. He makes me nervous. Camera, microphone, this guy, I'm nervous. So I think we should go do some flat track racing now.
Definitely. definitely. We're definitely going on the flat track. We'll see you guys with more guests, with more people. That's Neils Peter Jensen, Helmets for India, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.